This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with another quick reminder on how we can use the visual signs to potentially ride some of these major movers in the market. As we can see here, NVAX has had a nice move over the last couple of weeks. More so this breakout here just after it settled down and was setting the stage for a breakout. So if you caught this breakout here, you would have had an opportunity of riding this from, let's call it 15 to the current highs, and maybe more to come down the road of about 46. So a big nice move over the last couple of weeks. Now this is one of the reasons why I had this as a breakout candidate around here just before the breakout took place. As you can see here, that was from April 1st 2020. You can see it is mentioned right here, right there. So the breakout was at 16 on a weekly closing basis. Now remember, my breakout candidates are primarily based on the ultimate Muathe breakout. And again, back to the chart, intent of the breakout was to capture the movement above this weekly closing high. So our buy point entry should have been somewhere here. And again, keep in mind, this is based on the ultimate Muathe breakout, which is pretty much a setup that you need to see the minimum requirements from the RSI and MACDs. And you can see here that breakout, you could see, was going to move the RSI to 3-year highs. And for sure, the MACDs were also going to be moving to 3-year highs. So that's how you set the stage, and you know what to look for. It is a simple minimum requirement that tends to deliver the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links are going to be in the description of this video. And by the way, you can also use the monthly closing high here. That was another alternative entry level. So the breakout here was good enough. And for the month, just to see here, the stock is up this month alone about 145%. So it does make sense to understand this simple method, and again, it's explained via the link in the description of the video. And of course, if you don't have the time to be looking for such explosive stocks, you know what to do. Head on over to www.muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. EACS. Namaste.